Hello everybody, welcome to Q&A Thursdays. Today's question has been asked to us by Mr. Vikas Grover from Chandigarh. His question is, what is the difference between a top-up and a super top-up plan in health insurance? This is a very important question. The difference between a super top-up and a top-up plan may seem small, but it can have huge difference on the claims of your customers. Before we get into the difference, let us see what a top-up and a super top-up plan exactly means. A top-up or a super top-up plan, also known as a high deductible plan, comes with a deductible, which means that the claim will get processed only after a certain amount. For example, if your customer has a super top-up plan of 10 lakhs with a deductible of 5 lakhs, the policy will cover his or her expenses only if the claim amount is greater than 5 lakhs. Top-up and super top-up plans are usually bought along with an existing health insurance policy. Suppose your customer has a base policy of 5 lakh rupees. Along with that, he buys another top-up or super top-up policy with a coverage of 10 lakhs and a deductible of 5 lakhs. In such a scenario, the initial 5 lakh part of his claim will get covered by the base policy, and the 5 lakh to 10 lakh part of his claim will get covered by the top-up or the super top-up policy, giving him an entire coverage of 10 lakhs. Now that we understand what a top-up or a super top-up plan means, let us look at the difference between the two. A top-up plan will come into effect only if your claim is greater than your deductible. For example, let us say in the existing example that we considered, where your customer has a base policy of 5 lakh and a top-up or a super top-up policy of 10 lakh with a deductible of 5 lakh, if he makes two claims of 4 lakh rupees each in a year, the top-up plan will not come into existence because the 4 lakh claim that he made is not greater than the deductible, which is 5 lakh in this case. On the other hand, if he had a super top-up plan, these claims would have been covered because a super top-up plan considers the entire sum or the aggregate claim that you make in a year. In this example, because he made two claims of 4 lakh each, the total coverage is 8 lakh, which is greater than the deductible of 5 lakhs, and because he has a super top-up plan, the entire amount will be given back to him and his claim will be processed. I hope the difference between a top-up and a super top-up plan was clear to you. If you have any other questions around this, feel free to get in touch with us or leave a comment on this video. Thank you.